In this video, I'm going to show you how to change text color in Rentry. Now there's actually two ways to do this, and I'm going to show you both. The first one is if you want to change the color of the entire text inside your current field over here. So if I type in, for example, hello there, like this, and if I want to change this entire text color, so let's say there's like a lot of text in here, I'm just going to paste this for a bit, there we go. Let's say I want to change all of this. Now to do this, the easiest way would be to just go to metadata down here. So if you can see this, click on plus metadata, go to example, and from here you want to copy this part where it says content text color. Okay, so just copy this, and then you can go into metadata, paste it in, and just name the color here. So we could do like red, for example. If I go to preview, there we go, everything has been colored red. I could do, for example, like green as well, and if I refresh, it's going to go green. So this is going to turn every single text inside your Rentry into that specific color. Okay, if you want more colors, you could go to the How tab over here, and inside the How tab, you'll see like a list of a bunch of different colors if you click on over here. So the color list, you have like a lot of different ones. If I go and, for example, use this, let's do this dark turquoise, I'm gonna copy this hashtag, I can paste it in here next to the equal, and if I go and refresh this again, there we go, my text is now that specific color. However, of course, you could also color just a specific portion of your text. So let me show you how to do this as well. I'm gonna go here and I'm going to type in hello there, but hello is going to be a different color than there. Okay, what you have to do here is do percent and then like do percentages like this in front of text, and then you want to type in the color like red, for example, and then you want to go behind that specific word or portion of text, and you have to put in just like 2% just like this. So this is going to turn the first part of the text into a red color, as you can see, just like that. Then if you want to do this for this there word as well, for example, let's say you want this to be in a separate color, I'm gonna go and pick one over here. I'm going to do like deep sky blue, and then I'm just going to do percent, and then of course the color code, percent, and then spacebar, and then again behind that word I'm going to do two percentages, and if I go into preview, there we go, my text has now been separate colors. So of course I could do this for the entire portion of the text like this. If I delete that, it says hello there, and my text is going to be colored fully like this. And yeah, that's essentially how you can change text colors. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.